Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. There's an emergency, something is urgent, something is wrong with MetaMask. I cannot open it. I have 5 laptops in the house. I cannot open my MetaMask I can open it, but the Pancakeswap cannot uh, open my link that cannot open my MetaMask to do a transaction. Something is wrong, and this Chrome extension is killing me. Think about. How come this extension, MetaMask, cannot get prompted to open and to approve a transaction? Something is so wrong. I've been trying for the last 4 hours to do a simple trade on Pancakeswap, and Pancakeswap tells me connect to a wallet. Have a look. It's my MetaMask open. My MetaMask is open. Have a look. It's right in here. I cannot connect it. I tried with a different thing, with DodoX, same story. I cannot kind of connect, but not on one laptop. I have I have Windows 10, I have Windows 7, I have different other Windows and different other computers. Bro, help me out and leave a comment below and give me some solutions, because I'm panicking. Again, there's a glitch. Help me out to look. I want to trade anything. I want to trade, let's say, US dollar Tether. I want to buy some hedge, HEJJ. It's an artificial intelligence project. It's my project. And anyway, it doesn't matter. Anything that I want to buy, I go connect wallet. MetaMask. Yes, it's my MetaMask. MetaMask, do something. Nothing for the last 3 hours on all my 5 computers. I couldn't open to to confirm the transaction. To open it, confirm it, do the trade, get out. It's killing me. So again, Pancakeswap probably has a glitch that doesn't send the proper code to MetaMask to open, to click these for me to trade. Again, I need these to prompt me to approve the transaction. Okay, so it's in here. It should be a different page that shows a button underneath that claims to confirm. Okay, something is so wrong, I cannot believe it. I need that blue button to click confirm to close a simple transaction. So Pancakeswap and MetaMask are killing me. There's a glitch, there's an error, there's this alert that I'm telling you. Help me out if you have a solution. And I don't know what to tell you. Watch your money, keep it in a better wallet, because MetaMask gave me even last week few glitches, and I'm so upset. Anyway, thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.